Factor the expression below completely. Which of the following is one of the factors? 9x squared minus 100y squared. This is a difference of squares. So remember that when you're factoring a difference of squares, when you have x squared minus a squared, this always factors to x plus a, x minus a. Okay, but in this case, this is a perfect square and this is a perfect square. But what you square to make 9x squared is 3x. So this is 3x squared minus what you square to make 100y squared is 10y, 10y squared. So the difference of squares here is going to be 3x plus 10y times 3x minus 10y. Okay, and then that would be option B is one of the factors.